Now that we've got the window completely sealed up all the way around, it's ready. All we have left to do now is clean the window. What we're going to do, first thing I'll do is go ahead and raise the bottom sash. I'll go ahead and tilt it in. Then I'm going to lower the top sash, tilt it in. Then I can go ahead and get it clean. Now that that's clean, just raise it back up. Go ahead and clean the bottom one. Now the outsides are both clean. Raise it all back. Go ahead and lock it again. Now we're going to go ahead and clean the inside.